In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now to create a new alarm, use this plus at the top right one. Then set up an hour. Click on repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. Then hit done at the bottom right corner. Now click on alarm sound. Tap on add new at the top if you want to use any song from your smartphone, or select one of those melodies by tapping on a perfect one. Then hit label and name your alarm however you want to. To save its name, hit done. Following that, you can use this sorter next to vibrate warning to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm, and tap on snooze to decide how many minutes it will take. Now to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes, tap on it, change whatever you want to, and click on the check mark again. To discard those changes, click on this X instead. To turn off or on your alarm, use this sorter next to it. And to delete it, hold it and click on delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!